Wait, so who left?
Nate. But no one left. I don't know why. Nate said he had to go and he just didn't leave.
Okay. I mean... Okay.
Okay, I gotta go.
Okay.
What?
My parents just said so. Okay, bye.
Imagine listening to your parents.
That's actually kind of facts.
Hope my parents didn't hear that.
Your dad comes down, what'd you say?
I was there 3 times.
Are you okay, Big Bird?
No. Almost got my head chopped off with an axe.
Oh, I was there.
Almost.
We could. I would get you ice cream, but we're probably
Oh,
not in
Ben!
the same
I need to go get
state.
ice cream. I'll be right back.
Oh my god.
So this is what you did.
Yeah,
Wait.
good job.
Alright, what should we get? Should we get ice cream sandwiches? Do we have ice cream sandwiches?
Oh, I have an ice cream sandwich, but it's made out of cookies and M&Ms.
No, I ate all
Have you
the
tried
ice cream
getting like the ice
sandwiches.
cream like waffle cones and just putting your ice cream in it?
Oh yeah.
Michelle, return! Michelle! Michelle!
Well, she
I
wasn't
could already
really
tell.
mad at you. She seemed like she was more mad at the dash. She was so.
Slow down, slow down! Don't stop in the middle of the road!
Yeah. Remember the dust storm?
No, I mean like, you sound.
Because I'm related to my mother.
No, really?
No, I
Wait,
didn't know
you're
that.
related to your mother? I can't.
Wait.
relate.
I'm not related to my mother. What do you mean? I'm black and she's orange.
You know what? You know
Wait,
what, Jacob?
did your mom like get really tan?
Nika put it by you thought I was gonna say it, but
I'm looking at
I
something
saw
right
one
now.
that said,
Naked
she'll
Widowmaker
hit to
glitch.
date. What about
Oh.
she'll hit to date?
Oh, we're not talking about the same ones then.
Come on, let's go.
I'm gonna go dive Hanzo.
Do you guys
Okay, yep.
have
Never
a nice
playing.
dinner?
Never play.
What?
Yes.
That's
I had
good.
pizza. Leftover pizza from last night when the pizza guy ran 2 hours late.
You guys had
I
dinner?
I had spaghetti. You could have just like made yourself something.
Oh, I'm a pro Han.
Are you sure?
No. Oh!
Oh, Lucio.
Smiley Penguin is dead now.
Lucio.
You know, I'm training to be a comedian.
You are?
No, he's not.
I
Oh.
don't know what funny means.
The only
See,
funny moments you have
laugh.
is when you talk about your mom.
And, wait, let me think of another one. This one.
How did?
Smiley-
Why did they get 6 for this
Because that's their
mercy?
entire team.
She got 2,000 healing, that's not that good!
I had more. You guys wanna talk about school? Are you guys excited for school?
You already asked just this.
What?
Oh. Nightmare is my worst nightmare. No offense.
Oh, I am
No offense. School is actually my
kind
worst
of
nightmare.
mean.
No.
You are the most trustworthy. No, that's not saying much.
Okay.
Took you that long. Yo, invite yourself. You know how to go to your file and press invite to party. You know, like that. Invite yourself if you did not know yet.
We can't invite you. You're appearing on. You're not even on, kid.
That's true. All right. Sounds like you want to get removed. Oh, why'd he randomly leave? Spoil my get. He's connecting. He's connecting. He's connecting.
Probably gonna disconnect.
He probably is.
Hey, so if you look closely, at Diva, you know, like
No,
right there.
no,
I'll
no.
put an arrow there. I'll put an arrow there in editing.
No, 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 no.
If you
no,
look
no,
closely,
no, no, no,
you,
no, 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 no.
you begin to realize that her shades are actually hearts.
Ah, yes. Big Bird, what are you smacking?
That's not me.
I'm not talking to you.
You just said, Big Bird, what are you smacking?
No, I said, no, 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 no. I said, what are you smacking? Big Bird, what are you smacking? Bro, how did he join? It's on invite only.
Because I invited him.
Oh! Oh, we could play yes. We're playing yes.
Dude.
You know what, Cookie?
Oh.
I don't like you.
Bro, what do you mean you just randomly left?
I really don't like you.
Where are you?
Hate this game! I hate...
Alright. Just damage this me. I'm just gonna hold the button.
Approximately 10 hours later.
My Marty doesn't work.
You.
Oh, I did it!
Oh, I need healing.
I'm dead!
You really think I'm a bot?
I don't know how to play
I thought
Mercy,
we
you know
were
that?
friends, Elmo. But I didn't think something like that.
I thought.
Felt
Ah, you thought.
like that. You thought.
Oh! How am I alive?
Don't worry.
I was talking
I
to
will-
the people who kicked me.
People who kicked you? Imagine kicking Jacob.
Yeah,
Also,
imagine.
you're kind of a bot.
Justin.
You're kind of a bot if you kick Jacob.
I'm gonna kick you in your booty crack next time I see you. You know that? I will.
Alright.
Ricky! No!
Alright, are you saying that Biggie? You know, there was actually a kid in my 5th grade class named Biggie.
I'm pretty sure you got bullied.
Biggie Smalls.
Well, his name was Viggy, but we called him Biggie because he's big.
That's
Snake here.
me.
Just like saying,
Oh, that's
hey,
not me.
you're dumb.
Yo, they call me dumb, so, I mean, sort of.
They're kind of not wrong.
You
You're going,
freaking frick.
you're making me.
No. We have to make Nightmare Charm play Mercy because of that.
What?
Oh yeah.
Can you play Mercy next match?
No,
Why?
no.
So we can actually
Just
run a good
say no.
pharmacy.
Just say no.
Okay.
What the
What's
freak?
this?
Huh?
I
have
have gold nothing. I got
Yeah,
bronze objective.
I have gold
time.
testicles.
Oh.
I pressed my.
Holy crap, this guy's name is Elmore. I like this guy's style.
Oh, I just realized.
So
it's
this
only
guy
you, not a
is
nine.
dumb, right?
You're a special type of human. And when I say that, I mean this by possible.
My health bar.
Hey, at
Idiot
least I
Res.
don't randomly start screaming. Could you be me a girlfriend?
cheat on me!
Bro, you're
Don't
insane.
cheat on me! That was. Let me
That was
recreate that
good.
sound real quick. That hurt my throat.
Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna zip that.
Just kill the Bastion as Mercy.